And this is again a melanoma. And all you need to do is read the last line for this. I mean, you know it's melanoma. Then all you need to do is say most important prognostic factor. And one second, I'm a bit confused here. The question should say the depth of invasion. Like, how is this right? Should F be the right answer here? Okay, F is the right answer somehow. Okay, anyway, the point is that, yeah, depth of invasion is the most important thing for a melanoma. Most important prognostic factor, that is. Okay, and I don't know why G says, you know, is the right answer, but the correct answer is depth of invasion of the disease. Yeah, so, okay, let's look at the PPT here. Look at this. Asymmetry, border, color, diameter, and evolution. That's the classical presentation of a melanoma, right? And like I said earlier, nodular melanoma has the worst prognosis. Why? Because it has early, vertical growth. Okay. And let's look at the other options here. Okay. So diameter more than 6 mm. Okay. That, well, it's just a fact that, farak nahi padta, because for a tumor, for a skin tumor to be malignant, it has to penetrate deep inside the tissues, right? That's the most important thing. And S100 tumor marker present, that is a marker for melanoma, but that has no relation with the prognosis. Okay, evolution of the lesion over time. Well, this could be a prognostic factor, but it is not as important as the depth of invasion of the disease. Okay. Genetic factors, that's a pretty vague term. Let's look at what MOKSH explanation has in store for us. D. Genetic mutation as in BRAF kinase, etc. So yeah, like it says here, it increases the likelihood of developing a melanoma, but it has nothing to do with prognosis, right? Same goes for AZ presentation, right? And level of irregularity of the borders. This is kind of similar to diameter, right? Diameter of the lesion, level of irregularity of the borders. Okay. Evolution, like I said, evolution. Yeah, I mean, it could be a prognostic factor, but it's not as important as depth of invasion. Okay, so this is a pretty straightforward question again. But what I need you guys to know is, stuff related to melanoma, which is, kind of important for the exam. Okay. So first off is, we discussed genetics में BRAF gene, right? So what drug will you use if there is a mutation in BRAF gene? So that again is important. They ask this, and that is remurafenib. Okay, that's a tyrosine kinase inhibitor. Okay, remurafenib. Okay. Now another thing, there was S100 marker in the options, right? So you also need to know what other cells are S100 positive. Okay, and other cells that are S100 positive are Langerhans cells. Okay, they give you a question stem in which they say S100 positive hair cells, and if you guys are in a hurry, which is quite often, then you guys just mark it as melanoma and be done with it. But no, you have to think, okay, there are other cells. Okay, so now let's use this as an opportunity to study the different markers. Okay, so most important is HMB45 and S100. Markers of melanoma, HMB45, S100, and also melan A, but big deal. You don't need to remember it. It's not as high yield as HMB and S100. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.